Microphone check. 1, 2. Do we even have the microphone on? All right, it's on and we are live. Welcome to my very next episode. Today I'm actually doing a review on something I bought on Amazon. But before we bring that specific product in, let's bring my special guest. Whoa, Alexa, where did you just come from?
The company that made me, Amazon, is based in Seattle, Washington.
Okay. Alexa, how are you?
I'm feeling trepidatious. I keep thinking about going tobogganing. But I heard that once I start, it's all downhill from there.
Alexa, can you say like and subscribe?
I'm not sure.
Of course. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Maybe even ring that bell. So me and my best friend here, we're gonna do our new review here on a specific item I actually just received yesterday. I was so excited to open this. I didn't have any time to do the review yesterday. So now I am ready to open it now. So give me a quick moment here. We're gonna bring this product in. Whoa. What do we have here? In this box, it says caution heavy, but I think it's only like 18 pounds. Not including the box, of course, but that doesn't weigh much. So let's pop this thing open, and me and my buddy here, we are gonna do this review. And let's see what I got. I got my little trusty razor blade here, prison style. I'm gonna toss that aside, make sure I don't step on it later. Slide this thing out here. Okay, so for the longest time, there has been a trend on YouTube how everyone is going camping on the ice fishing and camping same time, and I've been wanting to do it for so long now. I ended up purchasing a new tent, a 6x12 insulated tent from Cabela's, and I knew that I needed a way to sleep in there, off the ice, and warm. So, best option I thought was a cot. I see a lot of people using like those zero gravity chairs, but you're kind of like lean back, and your knees and back are still kind of bent. I wasn't gonna do that. I wanted something where I can lay flat, which was gonna be a cot. And of course, there are so many different designs and cots that you can purchase. There was certain things I wanted. I had to hold big weight capacity. I'm over 200 pounds right now, pretty sure, which is not a cool thing. It had to be easy to set up, very light, and space saving, so it had to be smaller. So I did some research online, on Amazon, on Google, and I found one that I was really interested in at a decent price. This one, you can get it as low as $97 for their standard version. They have oversized versions up to $125. I got this one after everything about $109 or so, I believe. So let's pop it open. This bag right here, just feeling it, feels like quality. It actually feels like really solid and rigid, and the stitching is very well made just from looking at it. So let's pop it out. Oh, looks so good already. Looks so good already. So the strap is actually attached right to it, so that way you don't lose it. I don't have to throw it on. And this is actually the exact reason why I got this. Look how easy it is to set this bad boy up. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna flip this around. Look at that, everyone. The Redcamp foldable cot. Alexa, how much is the Redcamp cot on Amazon?
A top result is Redcamp folding camping cots for adults heavy duty, 28 inches. It's $97.99.
So it's $97.99. Thank you, Alexa. Okay, stop. I shouldn't say her name too much because she likes to talk a little bit too much when I say her name. Now, this cot, weight capacity, total of 500 pounds. 500. Do you believe that? Most cots I look at were as low as 250. I wasn't gonna do a 250 pound weight capacity cot. I've broken way too many chairs in my lifetime. The average that I noticed was about 300 pounds. A lot of the Cabela's cots were 300 pound weight capacity. So this cot right here has oval tubes, and it's supposed to be very, very solid, very rigid, and should be quite strong. Right at where your head is supposed to go, it is automatically elevated at about, I would say, 18 to 20 degrees. You can't flatten that out. You actually are not supposed to sit on there as well. You can only sit on the center sections. If you sit on the edge here, then you could break it. That's the only thing about it. The platform and all the joints, it is made out of solid plastic. So, and it is quite wide. The feet on the bottom is quite wide, so you don't have to be worried about it puncturing through a tent if you're camping in the summertime and you want to set it down in your tent, and you don't have to worry about it puncturing right through. So the best thing about this cot is there's no assembly required at all. You just literally open it up and it flattens right out. High weight capacity, very affordable. It includes a very nice durable carry bag, very space saving. I was actually looking at many other cots, and a lot of them, they folded it didn't fold as well as this one did. This one folded, so it was really compact and very tight. Many of them that we're looking at, they took a long time to set up, they required a lot of space to set up, and when they were folded up, it took up more than 4 times the space this one did. The cot itself, it comes in 3 different colors. You can either get in green, gray, or you can get it in blue as well. It features a 600 denier fabric. It's good for anyone up to 6'2". The oversized camp cot that they offer, it's good for up to 6'3". So if you're any larger than that, I apologize that this cot may not work for you. It's about 28 inches wide, I would say. So it's plenty of room. Actually, I'm gonna hop on actually. And I'll let you know how it feels. Okay, you know what, honestly? This thing is actually very comfortable. It is super comfortable. Now I often roll around. I'm a side sleeper and a back sleeper. I'm also sometimes sleeping on my stomach. And you know what, honestly, I'm very, very, very happy with this purchase. So I am using this mainly for ice fishing. Probably will start using it for camping. I haven't been camping actually for a very long time. I think it'll be great for hunting. You do a little hunting and sleeping outside when you're hunting. This will actually also make really good spare beds in case you have unexpected guests that come over. You could simply fold it up, throw it in a closet, takes no space at all. It actually includes a pouch on the side as well. so you can put your cell phone or any belongings right beside you where you need it. Alexa, how many star review is the Redcamp cot?
Here's something I found on the web. According to alovedoor.com, it has 65 reviews on Amazon and has 4.5 star rating.
4.5 stars rating on this Redcamp cot. I'm very happy with my purchase. It is Amazon, so the return policy is very, very good. Warranty on it, I believe it's about 365 days of warranty, which I don't think I'm gonna need it. So if you're in the market for a new camp cot, make sure to check out Redcamp cot on Amazon. For now,
I know you're gold all on your own, but we keep shining in the light. Out with our friends, I keep thinking it's only us in here tonight. I know that you're not good